Hi sir, good afternoon. Sir, I'm Piel Jasin Laureta. I'm your student nurse for today. Are you feeling okay, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, what is your name?
My name is JV.
GB. Sir GB, just relax, sir, and I will ask you some questions. It's okay to you?
I guess so.
Sir, what is your address?
Kauringan Season, Pangasinan.
Do you have telephone number or email address?
No.
No. So, what is your educational level?
Just I'm high school graduate.
High school graduate. Okay. So, how about marital status? Are you single or you married
No. I'm single.
or single? Okay, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Casey Bandalog, and I am student nurse from NLAG, and I will be your student nurse for today. Sir, may I know what is your feeling today?
I'm feeling tired. I feel so heavy. It's like I feel so empty. I don't know what to do.
Would you like to talk more about it?
I don't know. I have a hard time opening up to others.
Do you feel irritated or mood swings these past few days?
No, I think my emotions has been shut down. I don't feel anything anymore.
How about, do you receive any medical treatment?
It's just the first time that has happened to me.
Sir, have you ever had any type of head injuries such as meningitis or any stroke?
No, I don't think so.
How about, sir, do you have any history of mental health problems such as anxiety and depression?
I think it's my first time. It's my first time I've experienced this. It's like the world feels so. It's gray and so dark.
What specific feeling that you felt, sir, when you are in the dark?
It's empty. It's like no one's around. It's like I'm deep in the water. It's like I'm falling apart. There's no one else to.
Sir, I understand. And I am here, I was beside you, and I am willing to listen. Good afternoon, sir. So I am Tria Juniki Perez. I will be your student nurse for today. And right now, I will be asking you questions about lifestyle and health practices. So, sir, let me ask how do you describe a typical day?
Typical day. It's just a normal day for me.
So, how do you describe a normal day?
For example, we have a daily routine, like breakfast, then activities, and then lunch, then activities again, dinner, and sessions. So there's no special activities.
And so, how about right now? How do you describe your energy level? In a rate of 1 to 10, with 1 as the lowest and 10 as the highest.
Well, that's interesting. I think my energy level is 10.
Oh, that's interesting. Thank you for that answer. So, how do you describe your sleep pattern right now, sir? This past few days.
It's not normal. Because it's like last night, I think I'm having insomnia. It's like, for example, I already sleep at 3 a.m. and then wake up at 8 or 9, I think. I don't know.
Sure. So, have you have any exercise regimen that you are doing?
What do you mean?
Any exercise or activity that you have been doing this past few days or this recently?
So the only activities or exercise that we do here is walking in the field. That's all.
Right now, sir, do you have any over-the-counter drugs that you've been taking right now?
Yeah. Yeah, I think yes. I don't know what I don't know.
So, how often do you take those drugs, sir?
How often? Can't remember. Sorry.
Thank you. So, do you also take off drugs, sir? Or any drugs, medicinal drugs?
I don't know.
Okay, so calm down, take a deep breath, sir. So, have you been taking any alcoholic beverages, sir, or alcohol drinks?
Well, are you referring now or before?
Before, and then you'll say, have you been taking now?
Referring in the past. Well, yeah, alcohol.
How about now, sir?
Well, even though I really want alcohol, I can't drink it here in this place because there are so many restrictions, you know.
Oh, I see. So, what type of alcoholic beverages do you drink before?
Oh, my favorite type of alcohol is beer. Then the other one, gin.
How often do you drink those beverages?
Before.
Yes.
Let me think about it. I think I drink, I'm referring to bottle now, 3 to 5 times a day.
Thank you for answering those questions, sir. So, if you have anything to say, I will be here. I will be listening to you. And you can say anything to me. Okay, sir? Thank you for answering.
Always understand that health is wealth. So have your checkup.
Your emotions are valid and it matters. Have your checkup.